So today we're going to be going over the M3-10A1-6 Lightweight Service Mask actual full kit and going over the different parts of it. Surprisingly, there's a lot of components that goes into the kit. This is all based off of TM3-290 change booklet number 3 as well. So I used a primary resource to put this kit together, essentially is what I'm saying. So here we go. Obviously, starting off, you have the anti-dim cloth, which is just a cloth meant to wipe the eye lenses to reduce fogging. And it's just in this little tin and goes in the carrier loop. Here you have your M5 ointment protective kit. It would contain the 4 tubes of skin ointment, and as well as BAL ointment, which is meant for your eyes. Mine is empty, but before this kit there was the M4 ointment kit, which would have been used with this mask, but this came out later, and I believe it's still wartime, but I could be wrong. Yeah, it is, because it's mentioned in TM3-290 change booklet number 3 as a ointment kit, which is a 1945 dated document. Here you have the M1 eye shields. These are what I referenced in the M3-10-6 video, and is literally just standard eye shields. These were used not only for chemical protection for the eyes, but as well as sun, dust, and wind goggles. It was sort of an extended purpose of this. It came with 2 pairs of tinted ones and 2 pairs of non-tinted ones, and they were essentially made so that if you were attacked by, say, aircraft, if they sprayed chemicals over a battlefield while you were there, this would protect your eyes from any overspray, and then you would use the ointment on your exposed skin, then you take this off, chuck it, and then you adjust the mask to your face. These are meant to be disposable. I'm assuming that's why they came of like 4 in a set, but essentially they just button up right here, and they become nice little protective goggles. And like I said, these were meant to be used not only for protecting the eyes against chemical agents sprayed from the air, but as well as protection from dust, sun, and wind, as you could imagine. And they just fold right back up into their little packet, if I could do it right. That's not right. Like so. And then they just go right back into the cardboard. I'm going to show how to pack the whole kit together into the M6 carrier as well, after I get through all of it. Go ahead and tear the paper there. So yeah, there we go. Mine is also dated 44. I believe that's a date stamp, so 11/44. And then you have decontamination instructions on the back for your eyes. Next, we have the chemical protective cover. I have 2 of these, but one of them is like really fucking thick for some reason, and it's in the carrier. But I took this one out to show as an example. This would have been worn in the 2 pockets of the carrier in the case of a blister agent attack. So you'd have one of these open in the carrier, and if you were attacked, you'd pull it out and unfold it and then put it over you, and it would sort of keep chemicals off of you. And I guess you could put your service mask on while you're in there, but yeah. Now onto the waterproofing kit. This is actually the C3 waterproofing kit, and was issued to protect the canister from water, as you can about imagine. And they have a nice little directions card, and was typically tied to the stem of the filter right here. And it's kind of a pain in the ass to use. And then obviously you have the mask right here. Now, on to actually putting this shit in the carrier. Here you can see the other protective cover that I have that I don't feel like taking out. But here you can see the filter is on the filter sling. Now, To properly put this in the carrier according to FM 1946, you would have flipped the filter around. I may just take off this waterproof because it's a pain in the ass. No, that's good. It'll be fine. So you flip the filter and you loop the hose around the canister, sort of like, not like that, it's supposed to go the other way. This is fairly difficult when it's not on your body, but okay, yeah, there we go. And then you're to place the head harness within the mask, and then you're supposed to take the filter and actually put it inside the face piece, like that. And then you were to replace the mask on the carrier. Like so. And you take your chemical protective cover, you put it in the pocket right here. Take your M5 or M4 ointment kit, and you were to put it in this pocket right here. Come on. The M5 is a bit difficult to put in, but it's possible. Oh, I forgot the anti-dim cloth, which goes in the loop. I don't know if you can see that, like, way the fuck down there, but I'll just put it in there real quick. There we go. Close that up. Replace the mask. And now for the eye shields, which literally have no pockets, so they free float in the carrier. I just put them right there. That's what they show in the diagram anyways. And obviously you're gonna have to close the carrier. Now mine's a bit difficult to close with the thick ass fucking chemical protective cover, so it takes quite a bit of force, but it does close, believe it or not. They really could have added like 1/4 of an inch of fucking canvas to the lid or the closure, but they didn't, so it's a pain in the ass to close when it's fully loaded. And there you go, fully packed M3-10A1-6 lightweight service mask kit. Obviously this would be worn at either the side, the back, or the front. I like to wear it on the front. It's called the side modified front carry because it's the most comfortable way to wear it, but you could use either one of those. It's actually mentioned in FM 2140, the different ways to carry the mask. But yeah, so that pretty much does it for this video. Thank you.